Hi, Ellie here, and today we're cooking
Calzone. And I'm going to be using the Ooni Koda 16. Let's do it. I've burnt many a pizza over the years, but never set anything alight in the oven till now. Luckily, I'd made enough dough for a second attempt, and this was my first. I hadn't cooked a calzone in the Koda 16 since 2021, and admit I was a bit rusty on the cooking skills for this. However, I wasn't expecting this to happen. I had flames on full on the dial, as that's how I cook my pizza. But it wasn't the flames that caught the top of the calzone. It was the invisible heat. So I tried again, and this time I was going to cook it differently. This is my second attempt. I used slightly less fillings to lower the height in the oven and for the fillings to cook quickly. The dough I'm using is the same recipe I use for my pizza in high heat ovens. No sugar, no oil, so no changes there. I also turned the flames down to low as it could go. Yep, autumn is coming. My plants are slowly going. My hedge will go next. That'll turn brown. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Let's double check that this is actually moving, and let's get this in. So I've got it on as low as it can go on the dial. Keeping an eye on the top there. Turning it to see what's happening. Need to get that side going. Gotta be careful with the roof of this. The top burns. To protect the top. I think it's done. Done. With a lot of protection from my peel. Roller paste. Now I've got to admit, it is quite difficult to maintain a top that doesn't burn, and as you can see here, it was going to go, and I had protected it with my peel. And the reason why I used this peel is because it's made of steel and not aluminium. So it's safe to use this peel to do that. That's one of the reasons why I also love that peel. So the crust came out good. Got a good crust cook there. Base is cooked well and the inside is cooked well. It's steaming hot. Yeah, protection is needed. It's given a good base cook. Just going to cut it right through that. So you can see. Okay, so I'm going to give that a try. There's something about calzones, or calzone style, I'll call it calzone style. Keeps all the delicious flavours and sauces in there. Cheese was a good choice. It cooks fast. Whatever you've got to do, you've got to cook something that cooks fast. I'm going to give that a try. Oh, it's cooked inside. Yum. The key points from this cook I'll remember for next time is to cook on the lowest flame and don't fill it too deep. Use fast cook fillings like buffalo or grated mozzarella. And finally, to always have a steel pizza peel at the ready to protect the top of the calzone, because even though I cooked this second attempt on a low flame, away from the low flame, it still flamed up at the top from the invisible heat inside the oven and would have ended up like my first one. I'm just going to take these pieces away and enjoy. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.